uh, learners, now we will know about the rules for finding the image by concave mirror. Here we have to make study about some rules, and these rules we have to keep in mind while we have to draw the ray diagram in case of concave mirror. Now first rule is here. As per first rule here, if incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, then a reflected ray passes through the focus. If incident ray, suppose that this one is principal axis here, center of curvature, focus. If incident ray is parallel to, this one is incident ray parallel to the principal axis, then reflected ray will passes through the focus. This is a reflected ray. Is it clear? Rule number 2. If incident ray passes through the focus, then reflected ray becomes parallel to the principal axis. If incident ray passes through the focus of concave mirror, this one is pole, center of curvature, suppose this one is focus here. As per the statement, if incident ray passes through the this is incident ray, focus of concave mirror, then reflected ray becomes parallel to the principal axis. Is it clear? Okay, now rule number 3. If incident ray passes through the center of curvature, rule number 3 is here. If incident ray passes through the center of curvature of mirror, like this, this one is incident ray, then reflected ray retrace its path, because the ray strikes normally on the reflecting surface of mirror. Is it clear? Then next is rule number 4. If incident ray strike the pole by making some angle with the principal axis, this is incident ray, angle of incidence, then reflected ray also becomes the same angle, angle R, with the principal axis. Is it clear? These 4 rules you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Some important notification we have here, or we can say some important notations you can write. First one, object distance from the pole, it is denoted by U. Image distance it is denoted by V. Radius of curvature denoted by capital R. Fourth, focal length is denoted by small f. Keep in mind, focal length is a distance, but focus is the point where rays of light after reflection from the mirror either meet or appears to meet. Clear? Or size of image it is denoted by HI. Size of object it is denoted by HO. Clear? These are some important notations which you have to use when we will make or when we will solve the numericals related to mirrors. Clear? Okay. Now here we have to make the images formed by concave mirror when object is placed at different positions. Is it clear?